at the other points of the pocket as well. Double thread very well so that it doesn't pull off. After which you cut your threads very well, cut your threads as well. So the simplest way to cross check your stitching width is from the back of the lining. At this point, you will now see the lines very visible and clearly. You can now measure and confirm that the both lines gives you 0.5. Look at it, 0.5, so that the pocket tip or mouth will not be bigger than it should. After you have done this, now before you start the slitting or the tearing part, there's one measure I take. After removing your pin, I make sure that I raise the placket up this way and confirm that the both plackets are equal at the width here. If one seems to be longer like this, I'll correct it by losing it and then pushing it backwards. So the both plackets must align at this point. After you have done that, the next thing you do is to fold this one as well. The both placket as well must align. No one should be longer or shorter. So after you have done that, now you mark 1 inch inwards this way, 1 inch inwards this way as well. Then hold the cloth together and fold into 2 equal halves. Make sure the lining is held. Fold into 2 equal halves, just like this. Then put a notch at the center, just like this. Put a notch at the center, just like this. And then raise it up again. The notching will come out both to the back. Then this is where you apply all your wisdom and carefulness. So make sure you put your scissors inwards. Then when you cut it straight and get to that 1 inch which you have marked, then you raise the placket up this way. Raise the placket up this way. From that 1 inch which you have marked, tilt your scissors to give you a V cut. Your scissors must give you a V cutting so that you don't have anything to worry about. So raise your placket up this way. It will give a V cutting, targeting the end of that stitching you made. Please don't exceed that stitching, please. That choking, don't exceed that point. Raise here up as well. Carefully targeting the V as well. Just carefully raise it up, target the V, target the point there with a V stitch, a V cut rather, a V cut. So this is what I have just done. Look at it. You see, I'm not exceeding that line. And after which, turn it over the other way around, this way. Carefully hold your breath. Don't be in a haste or don't be scared. Remove every fear. Do it. You can do it. So cut and notch the first 1 inch. Then raise the placket up this way, and then target the V. Target it in a V shape form, just like this. Target it, and then let it end at that exact point of your stitching. Raise the second placket up as well, and make it to have a V notch as well, ending at that exact point as well. Don't exceed that point, please. Very important. So when you have done, after doing this, now the next thing you will do is to open press this. Open pressing this will help a lot. So I think I will take you to the machine and show you how I open press and how to progress with my ironing and folding of these plackets.